Hello and welcome to Kong's Dev Lab. Today we are going to be looking at how you can download and install node.js in your computer. So to get started, first in your browser you need to type in node.js download. So once you search that, you're going to see some few results will pop up, but the first result is from nodejs.org. So there you have to click that from nodejs.org/download. Now here you're going to see the website is going to open, and here you're going to see the latest version, and here you're going to see the various platforms. So if you're on Mac, you can choose Mac. If you're on Linux, you can choose Linux. And if you're on Windows, you can choose Windows. So since I'm on Windows, I'm going to leave Windows, which is a default being selected. Then for the version, you can choose any of the versions. You can choose the latest version, you can choose the latest LTS, that is the latest stable release, or you can choose any version you want. For example, if you want to choose version 22, you can click on 22, and if you want the latest version, which is 24, then you can use 24. So once you have selected the Node.js version, you now scroll down to Windows installer MSI. So you have to download the Windows installer MSI. So you click on this. Once you click on the download will start. So it will take a few seconds, and once it is completed, you see there it is completed. So you can open the downloads folder directly from your desktop, or you click this icon here to open the downloads folder. So once the downloads folder is open, you see I have it here, Node.js version 24. So to install it, you need to double click on it. Once you double click on the download, the Node.js setup wizard is going to open. So here, it is going to say welcome to Node.js setup wizard. So the setup wizard will install Node.js on your computer. So you have to choose next. Then you have to agree, I accept the terms in the license agreement. You have to accept the terms and click next. Then here it is going to show the default path where it is going to save it, so you just allow the default path. You click next. Then here you just click next, and then just click next. Then now that everything is okay, you click on install. So once you click on install, the installation process is going to start, and this might take a while, so you just need to wait a little for this installation process to be complete. And in case you have any prompts which shows and telling you Node.js is going to make some changes to the computer, you just need to click yes, and the installation is going to start. So once the installation starts, you need to wait for a while for it to complete. So now that the installation is complete, you see here it says completed Node.js setup wizard, and you click on finish. So now the installation is complete, so you can close your downloads folder and you close your browser as well. So to check if the Node.js has been installed, you simply go to the start menu and you type in terminal. So you look for your terminal and you click to open your terminal. Once your terminal is open, to check if Node.js has been installed, you need to check the version of Node.js which you installed. So to check that, you say node version and you hit enter. So once you click that, you're going to see the Node.js version. We downloaded and installed version 24.13.1. So this shows that Node.js has been installed in my computer. So now that you have Node.js installed, you can do so many things like create React application, Next.js application, and anything concerning JavaScript. So if you want to learn how to run JavaScript in your computer as well using Node.js, then be sure to like this video and subscribe, and I will be making that video next, how to run JavaScript in your computer. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.